Hello, mommies! How are you? Today, I'm gonna show you how to stop and move a manual transmission pickup car and drive it barefooted.
Hello, mommies! For a manual transmission car, we have the steering wheel. The steering wheel of this car isn't power steering, means it will not rotate back. So you have to rotate it back. Next, the shifter, the handbrake. For the shifter of this pickup car, we have first gear or speed, second gear or second speed, third gear or third speed, fourth gear, and reverse, or primera, segunda, tercera, cuarta. It varies to some manual transmission cars. Some has fifth and sixth gears. The movement of first gear: start to neutral, pull to left, and push straight forward. For second gear, pull shifter to left and pull backwards. For third gear, push shifter slanted forward to right. For fourth gear, pull shifter backwards. And to reverse, push shifter to neutral, pull to right, and pull straight backwards. For a manual transmission car, we have three pedals: the accelerator or gas, the brake pedal, and the clutch pedal. So this is A, this is B, and C. A is for accelerator or gas, B for brake, and C for clutch. To move a manual transmission car, first, push the clutch all the way down to the floor. Then, move the shifter to first gear or primera. Then, push slowly the gas while releasing slowly the clutch. Now, we will start to move the car. Goes like this. When starting engine, always position the shifter to neutral to avoid jerk movements of the car. Start engine. Okay, engine is started. To move a manual transmission car, first step, you have to push all the way the clutch pedal. Then, move the shifter to first gear. Put down the handbrake. Then, push slowly the gas while releasing slowly the clutch. Releasing the clutch while pushing slowly the accelerator or gas. Okay. To stop a car, release the gas, push the clutch all the way, and then push the brake pedal. Then put the shifter on the neutral. To reverse a manual transmission car, push the clutch all the way, move the shifter to the right, then pull all the way the shifter backwards. Then push the accelerator slowly while releasing the clutch slowly. Mommies, next is to drive this car barefooted. First, be familiar with the sound of engine. First demo is the sound of engine that is about to move or slowly accelerating. Next demo is the sound of fully push accelerator, but don't get used to it. Let's move now. Push the clutch pedal all the way down to the floor. Move the shifter to first gear and slowly push the accelerator while releasing the clutch slowly. Next, we will turn to left, accelerator off, push the clutch all the way, and push the brake pedal. And rotate the steering wheel to left until you finally take the right lane, then rotate it back. Next, mommies, is how to drive on highway road. When driving in highway road, always remember these things. The red arrow is your opposite lane, and the green arrow is your right lane or driving lane. To move the car in highway road, first start engine, turn on the signage light to left when moving to left. Again, push the clutch pedal all the way down, move shifter to first gear, put down the handbrake and start pushing the accelerator pedal slowly while releasing the clutch pedal slowly, and take your lane. When taking your lane, always check first left mirror when it is clear, no incoming vehicle, then take your lane and turn off your signage light. Some cars have automatic turning off signage light after taking lane. Rotate the steering wheel directing to left when going to left until you have taken your lane. When beginner driver, just drive and move the car slowly to avoid undesirable scenarios or road accident. Always check on both side mirrors, the right, left mirror, and the rear mirror. That's very important. Then move shifter to second gear, third gear, and so on as you move continuously to your direction. Next, mommies, is how to drive on unpaved road. When driving to unpaved road, clutch pedal and accelerator pedal must be both slowly pushing and releasing. Like clutch pedal, slowly releasing partially only. Same with accelerator pedal to avoid lots of jerky movements of the car. And ideally, shifter must be in first or second gear for unpaved road. Like you can see in the screen, it is downshifted to second gear. First and second gear usually used for pulling, passing to unpaved road, passing to uphill road, and when the car is loaded or full loaded. When moving to a downslope or downhill-like road, go back to pedal routine. Accelerator off, push all the way down the clutch pedal, push the brake pedal slowly, and rotate the steering wheel to left or right, whichever is desired direction, and push slowly the accelerator pedal to continue moving the car, while releasing slowly again the clutch pedal.
Then, how to drive on uphill road. When moving to uphill road, always downshift the gears to second gear or first gear, as the car can manage the movement to uphill. Push all the way down the clutch pedal and again slowly push the accelerator pedal until to the top of uphill. Then push clutch pedal and brake pedal as to be safe when you're at the top. Look for the direction to continue moving. When it is clear, continue to move again. Always remember the pedal routine when starting to move, stop moving, driving in unpaved road and uphill road. mommies, I hope you learned something on my driving tutorial. Feel free to ask questions and comment your suggestions below. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, mommies, always be happy and be inspired. Always!